Now, here's the reason why I was able to get the non-recourse loan on that property for $10,000 more than I paid for it. I sold it for $59,000, double what I borrowed against it. And that's kind of the rule of thumb on a property like that, because worst case scenario for the investor that loaned the money, he has a lien on that. If I default, he gets a property that's been sold for twice what he loaned against it. That's why they were okay with me borrowing 30, even though I only paid 10. So what did I do with that 10,000? Well, that goes back in the marketing budget to find more, because the marketing does cost. You can put out bandit signs, which is cheap. There's a lot of things you can do that are cheap to market, but they require time. So it's a trade-off. It's always a trade-off. Time, money, time, money. Which one do you have? Which one can you spend? You can spend some time, you can spend some money.